We have a unique discussion that bridges our love for basketball and anime. Ever wondered why the villain Akaza from Demon Slayer anime have some unique orange markings and patterns on his body which resembles a basketball? Based on the research I made, I realized that Akaza's character design with the distinct line patterns and coloration is more likely inspired by traditional Japanese aesthetics and artistic choices meant to emphasize his demon nature and combat prowess. The lines and colors might symbolize his strength, agility, and the fierce dynamic nature of his martial arts abilities. His backstory as a martial artist is the primary influence on his character, focusing on his dedication to strength and combat skills rather than any connection to basketball sports. This means that the visual similarity of Akaza's anime design to basketball is more likely coincidental rather than intentional.